duckies.
They're water
I think they're like
giants.
2 weeks old now.
Yeah, it seems like they're getting really bigger.
Yeah, they grow really fast.
And it looks like they're rocket launching more.
They're eating some kale, which seems to be their favorite thing,
And
some
rice.
little ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles.
All right, move them. I want to see if they rocket launch.
Rocket launching, people. That's what it is, in case you didn't know.
Oh my god, they're so stinking cute. I can't handle it.
I like to hug them. They're just so soft right
They
now.
shake their tails and their wings. It's like ridiculous.
Wings a little reddish, I think.
Just from the warmer water.
Hard to tell who
We're
is
getting
who.
jiggy with it. Sound like little pigs.
That's the whirlpool, people.